Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Wednesday, December 5th. Seeing some cloudy skies and cool conditions out there. We do anticipate these to continue throughout the early afternoon hours before seeing some clearing late this afternoon and evening with cool temperatures persisting throughout the week. Taking a look at our conditions across the area from yesterday for our high temperatures, we did see a chilly day across the region with temperatures in the mid to upper 40s. The warm spot was Newport News, which only got up to 50 degrees. This morning, seeing some wide range of lows across the area. Dover and Baltimore saw lows get down to the mid 20s. Other locations saw temperatures in the upper 20s to mid 30s, with the Tidewater being warmer spot with lows in the upper 30s. Here at Wallops, we got to 32. As of 9 a.m., we were seeing wide-ranging temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. It's going to be a chilly day. High only expected to get into the low 40s here at Wallops, remaining under cloudy to mostly cloudy skies for much of the day. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we were seeing some generally westerly flow across the entire column, seeing winds pretty weak near the surface and up to 3,000 feet, and then increasing from the west-northwest to around 25 to 30 knots through 12,000 feet. And then once we get above 12,000 feet, those winds increase rather quickly, becoming 62 knots at 16,000 feet, and increasing all the way up to 120 knots from the west-southwest at the 25,000 foot level, seeing a freezing level this morning all the way down to 1,300 feet. Taking a look at our satellite radar loop this morning, we do have the widespread mid-level cloudiness across the region this morning, and that will continue through at least the late morning hours and likely into the early afternoon. There is some areas of very light snow flurries down there in south central Virginia. That's going to continue to track eastward throughout the day. It does look like it's going to remain south of Wallops region, with possibly extreme southern portions of the Delmarva seeing a flurry or two down in the Tidewater as well, but not quite making it up here, as we're going to have some drier air in place here at Wallops at the lower levels, preventing that any flurries or snowfall from reaching the ground. We are going to be keeping those winds around westerly or northwesterly today, with chilly temperatures in the low 40s. Taking a look at our surface analysis, we are going to be having some weak high pressure move into the area, as we have a cold but weak upper level troughs settled across the northeast of the United States, and that's going to keep the weather pretty stagnant as we go throughout the week, keeping temperatures a little bit below average in the mid 40s through Friday, with partly cloudy skies starting tomorrow and into Friday as well, as high pressure builds in. So for today, we're going to be seeing those mostly cloudy to cloudy skies through late morning hours, and then high pressure will build in. That'll allow the cloud cover to decrease as we go towards this evening. High pressure continuing to build in, becoming mostly clear by the time we get into tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow, with high pressure in control, we're going to have a rather chilly day across the region, with under partly cloudy skies. And then as we go into Thursday night, we're going to have just a dry cold front move through the area. That'll help to uptick the cloudiness a little bit as we go into Thursday night into early Friday, possibly increasing the winds just a little bit during that time frame as well, and not expecting any precipitation from that front. Just going to give us a reinforcing shot of cold air as we go into Friday and Saturday, as another area of cold high pressure builds into the area for the early part of the weekend. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, going to be seeing that high near 42 degrees as we go towards early afternoon hours. Winds are going to be increasing to around 8 to 13 knots from the northwest, with slightly higher gusts as we go towards this afternoon, then weakening to 6 to 11 knots after sunset this evening, and remaining around 6 to 11 knots in the overnight hours, and becoming 5 to 10 knots by mid-morning Thursday, expecting a low of 30 degrees tomorrow morning. No weather hazards expected today. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to be seeing a few clouds remaining around 4,000 or 5,000 feet as we go throughout the morning hours here. Broken to overcast remaining around 9,000 feet. We'll start to see those that overcast deck clear up as we go towards the early afternoon hours, and then by mid to late afternoon, becoming few at 6,000 feet and only scattered at the mid levels near 10,000 and 15,000 feet. And then this evening, we're going to start to see some mostly clear skies with just a few clouds near that 6,000 foot layer and a few at 10,000 feet. And that'll be the case for most of the evening. By the pre-dawn hours tomorrow, going to be seeing a few lower level clouds near 2,000 feet possible, and then just a few upper level clouds between 18 and 25,000 feet. Seeing tides just a tad above normal this morning. For tomorrow, going to be looking at partly cloudy to mostly clear skies early, and then we'll see some mostly cloudy skies late as we get that weak, dry shortwave moving through the area. It's going to be chilly again tomorrow, only expecting a high of 43. Thursday night, going to be partly to mostly cloudy, fairly seasonable as we'll get those winds increase just a little bit Thursday night. That'll prevent the low from dropping too far, and only expecting a low of 35, which is seasonable for this time of year. And Friday, going to be looking at a partly cloudy but chilly day once again, only expecting a high of 44. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast, going to be continuing to see these chilly temperatures with highs in the low to mid 40s for the next several days. As we get that high pressure building into the area on Friday and into Saturday, that's going to give us some calmer winds and mostly clear skies for Friday night and the Saturday morning, and that is going to be giving us a very chilly low on Saturday morning down into the mid-20s, possibly even in the lower 20s to get up to near the Salisbury and central portions of the Delmarva. And then Saturday is going to be cold as we have that cold air mass in place with a little bit more cloud cover preventing any sunshine. So temperatures are going to really struggle to get even to 40 degrees for Saturday. And then Sunday we're going to be having a system we've been monitoring all week start to approach the area, originating from the south, and that's going to still some question marks about this system, exactly the strength, track, and timing of it, but models are starting to become more aligned. It does look like this is just going to be mainly a rainmaker here at Wallops, as the cold air will have eroded here along the coast, so only expecting rain here at Wallops. Can't rule out seeing some snow mixing up in around Salisbury or areas more north of Wallops as we go into Sunday evening, as we start to see that system impact the region. Winds are going to pick up. It is going to be breezy on Sunday and Monday as that low intensifies a little bit off the coast, and then Monday does look to be a rainy day throughout the day, as well as a breezy day as well. Still going to be chilly though. Temperatures are going to remain in the mid 40s as we go throughout the day on Monday. And then Tuesday, that system does look like it's going to clear off northeast of the area. Can't rule out a brief snow flurry with any wraparound moisture in the pre-dawn hours of Tuesday. That looks more likely up near the Salisbury area versus here, but does look like that rain will be moved out of the area by sunrise or mid-morning Tuesday, leaving us a mostly cloudy but cold day for Tuesday with a high of 40 degrees expected. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a good day.